me I tell you something. I receive a lot of phone calls related with leaks of the engine, and the people always they think that the leaks is because they have a leak in the oil pan, or they have a leak in the valve cover.
Yeah, that's common. People say that all the time.
Hey, my friend, you can replace the gasket of the valve cover 100 times, and the leak is not over there. And the same with the gasket of the oil pan. You see outside like oil, but it's not because the gasket is damaged, it's because the oil is coming from other side. But it's not over there. You can replace those seals 3 times, 5 times, and the leaks continue. Where are normally the leaks in an engine? In the front seal and the rear seal.
Timing chain covers.
Both seals. Yes, it's over there. What is the front of this engine? Harmonic balancer, and this is the rear. Okay. How you get access to this seal in front? Number 1, suppose that you are in a truck. You need what? Radiator, and after that alternator and accessories, compressor, air condition compressor, and finally you have access to the timing cover.
Wow.
And in the timing cover normally is located the seal. It's not easy.
It's a lot of work, dude.
It's a lot of work because you need to remove. In a boat, it's exactly the same.
Pull the motor out, do it.
Harmonic balancer out, alternator, all of the accessories, air condition, compressor, it's a lot. Okay, this is for the front, in my opinion, the easy. What about the rear? Number 1, remove the coupling, shaft, separate the transmission. When you separate the transmission, you have access to the flywheel. But you need to remove the flywheel, and finally you have access to this. And yes, it's a lot of work, no? This or this. And after that, what is the procedure, for example? This is the bracket where the seal is located. How can you remove this seal easily? No, because the shaft is over there. The crankshaft is here. How you remove the seal?
Oh, the screws.
3 drills, small screws, and you pull it. What is the best procedure to put in back the seal?
In a slightly oversized piece.
Grease, a lot of grease, with your fingers help to enter on the shaft, and after that prepare a PVC pipe with this diameter, and with a piece of wood. Don't try to introduce this one with hammer, tin, because enter like that.
And it's a lip seal.
Bam, with the PVC pipe. Okay, recommendation number 1. Order the seal according with the part number in the service manual of the use original. The aftermarket, you have leaks in 6 months again.